Hi, I'm Rachel Martiens with the Tyndall team at Remax Estate Properties, and this is 30204 Via Victoria in beautiful Rancho, Palos, Verdes. What I love about this kitchen is the high ceilings, the oversized windows, and the wide open space, which makes it ideal for entertaining. Not only that, the kitchen was totally remodeled with quartz countertops, shaker-style cabinetry with soft close, and all GE cafe appliances. And the best part is the ocean and Catalina views. This home features 3 bedrooms and 4 baths. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. There's a master suite on the main floor and another master suite upstairs, and your 3rd bedroom here. This super chic, modern mid-century home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac within less than a mile to the ocean. This neighborhood is known for its close proximity to the walking trails, the bluffs, Terranea Resort, and also Golden Cove Center with Starbucks and Trader Joe's. Also located in this neighborhood is the award-winning Point Vicente Elementary School. Thank you for touring this listing. For more information or to set up a private showing, please contact Rachel and Kathy at the Tyndall team, Remax Estate Properties.